Welcome back to English Hub, your destination to learn English the easy way. Before beginning today's topic, let me tell you about Ria. Ria is a student. Ria goes to school. Ria studies hard. Ria loves reading. Don't you think that is very awkward of me telling you again and again the word Ria? Something can be used in place of Ria. Yes, today we are going to study about pronoun. Pronouns are basically used in place of noun to avoid repetition and make sentence smoother. So my previous example about Ria, whom I was telling you, could be like Ria goes to school. She studies hard. She loves reading. Now this one is more better and smoother than the previous one. Me telling you again and again about Ria. And Ria was sounding awkward. Let us see another example. Ravi is a student. Ravi loves football. Ravi studies daily. Here Ravi again and again speaking is not making the sentence very smooth. In place of Ravi, we can use he. So the sentence will be much better. For example, Ravi is a student. He loves football. He studies daily. He is a pronoun which is used in place of noun. There are 10 different types of pronoun, and they are personal pronoun, possessive pronoun, reflexive pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, relative pronoun, indefinite pronoun, reciprocal pronoun, intensive pronoun, and distributive pronoun. Now let us learn more about personal pronoun. It is used instead of people or thing. In place person name or thing name, we use personal pronoun like I, you, he, she, it, we, they, me, him, her, us, them. These are some of the personal pronouns. For example, in a sentence form, it would be like she is my best friend, or we can say it as Ria is my best friend. She is a doctor. Now let us see the second one, possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun shows ownership. Mine, yours, his, hers, ours, theirs. These are the possessive pronouns which shows the ownership. For example, that book is mine, that house is mine, that car is ours. Reflexive pronoun refers back to the subject. Myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourself, yourself, themselves. These are reflexive pronouns. In a sentence, we can use it as he did his homework himself. She hurt herself. Another one is demonstrative pronoun. It points to a specific thing. And the words like this, that, these, those are demonstrative pronouns. For example, those are my shoes. Those are my keys. That is my bottle. Next one is interrogative pronoun. Interrogative pronoun are used to ask questions. Interrogative itself means questioning. So when we have the words like who, whom, whose, which, what, these are interrogative pronouns. For example, who is at the door? Next is relative pronoun. Relative pronoun connects clauses or sentence. These are basically connects the sentences with words such as who, whom, whose, which, that are relative pronoun. For example, the boy who won the prize is my brother. Next is indefinite pronoun. Indefinite pronoun refers to non-specific thing or people like someone, anyone, everyone, nobody, many, few, all. These are those words. Example is someone left their bag. Someone is at the door. Next is reciprocal pronoun. It is used when two or more people are doing the same thing at each other. Words like each other, one another are reciprocal pronouns. For example, they love each other. Next is intensive pronoun. It emphasizes a noun or pronoun like I, myself, she, herself, he, himself, and many more such kind of words are intensive pronouns. For example, I, myself, saw the incident. This is an example of intensive pronoun that I myself saw the incident. And the last one is distributive pronoun. Distributive pronoun refers to the member of the group separately. Each, either, neither. For example, each of them is responsible.
Practice questions.
Here are few MCQs. Just pause the video, solve them, and resume the video and check your answers. Good luck.
Fill in the blanks.
Just pause, solve, and check your answers.
Identify the type of pronoun.
Good luck.
Error correction. Find the errors. Error correction. Find the errors.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English Hub.